Preview.
Hello kids! Welcome back to our class. This is Teacher JP and this is still our English 3. Before we start, let us first read our target goals for today. These are our target goals for today. First, I can identify if a noun is singular or plural. Second, I can change singular nouns into plural nouns by adding s or es. So at the end of our discussion, you need to perform these 2 target goals for today. Let us first do a chair exercise. Are you ready? Before we proceed to our main topic, let us first review about nouns. A noun is a name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. These are examples of nouns. Now, let's have a quick activity. Wow! This is a car. How about if I have 2? So only one, we have car. But if we have 2, cars. Remember those? Next set of pictures. Wow, a cell phone. How about this? We have 2. So we can say these are cell phones with S. Okay, next one. Oh, bus. This is a bus. How about if we have 2? We have bus and we will add es, buses. Can you say buses for me, please? Buses. Very good. Next set of pictures. An empty box. This is a box. Say box for me, please. Box. Box. How about if we have 2? Oh, so we can say these are boxes. So we will add another es. Last set of pictures, we have this. This is a brush. Brush. Say brush. Brush. How about if we have, 3? So these are brush plus es, brushes. Brushes. Say brushes for me, please. Brushes. Very good. So that is just a quick review. Why do we need to do this one? It's because our lesson for today is about singular and plural. So, one of those pictures that we answered or named, one of them is singular and one of them is plural. So let's see, let's figure out which of those is a singular or a plural. Let us first define those words. First one, we have singular. Can you see the picture here? The picture says only one. So, what is singular? Singular noun means only one. What do you mean by only one? For example, if you have a pencil, if you have only one pencil, that is singular. That's only one. What else? Singular means single. See, if you cannot recall singular, you can recall singular with the word single. Right? Singular, single. Okay. And the last definition of singular is we will not add s or es. Take note of that one. We will not add s or es. We will not add s or es. Alright, that means if we have the word not, we will not do it. Okay, so we will not add s or es. Take note. Alright, now these are some examples of singular nouns. What is this? This is an apple. That's only one, right? So we have only one apple. How about this one? A cat riding on a boat. So we have a boat and a cat. See? We don't need to add s or es. It's because there's only one. There's a boat and there's a cat. So we have a boat and a cat. Right? Okay, the third picture. There's only one house. So, a house. It is only one. Right? So, in singular, we are talking about only one noun. Only one noun. Alright? How about if we will say plural? Plural nouns means more than one. What do we mean by more than? What is more than? We will see later. Okay? And we will add s or es. Take note, we will. There's no word not. So we will add s or es. See? What is he doing? He's counting his fingers. That means it's more than one. What are those numbers more than one? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. Right? So, if a noun is more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, more than one thing, then we will add s or es. Let's see some examples so you can understand this more. Examples? Wow, we have two. What do you call these? Since we have two, so we need to add S or ES, right? Okay, since we have two, these are called laptops. See? If we have two, then we need to add S. Laptops. Alright? But if I have only one laptop, then I will just call it laptop without S. But since we have two, so we need to call this laptops. Alright? Second picture. How many monkeys do we have here? Huh? How many animals do we have here? 3. We have 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we have 3 monkeys. If I have only one, I can call this as only one monkey. But since I have 3, so I need to add S or ES, right? So we have 3 monkeys. Okay. Last one. Wow, there's a lot. We have how many things you can see there? We have 4, right? So what do you call that one? 4 watches. 4 watches. See, if I have only one, then I will just call one watch. That's only one. But since I have 4, that means more than one, then I will add ES or S. Did you understand? Okay, let's see if you really understand this. Prepare paper and pencil now, and then try to answer the following. Write P. You need to write P if the noun is plural. That means that is more than one or two or more. Write S if the noun is a singular. Right? That means only one. Let's see. Are you ready? I will count 10 seconds for you to answer the following. Okay? Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Let us answer. Okay, so number 1, this is houses. Say houses for me, please. Houses. Houses. Again, houses. All right. Number 2, baby. Baby. Again, please. Baby. Say it again. Baby. Okay. Number 3, church. Church. Say church for me, please. Church. Church. All right. Number 4, tables. 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 Okay. Number 5, books. Books. Say books for me, please. Books. And the last one, bus. Bus. Say bus for me, please. Bus. Now, let us answer. For number 1, since we all know that if we have only one, the word must be house. But here, we have an extra S. Houses. That means more than one, or two or more. So what will be our answer? Is it P or S? Our answer is P. Did you get it correctly? Okay. Number 2, baby. So if you have a baby brother, that means that it's only one. So if that is only one, we will answer S. Alright. 3, church. Church is just like a temple. Okay? So church is just like a temple in the other country. So church is only one. Church is only one. So therefore, our answer is singular. Okay? How about number 4? Tables. We have S. If we have only one, that is only table. Only one table. But since we have S, we will answer B as plural. Number 5. If you have only one book, then you just call it a book. Right? But since we have S, we will answer P also. Books is plural. How about bus? That's only one. So we will answer S. Alright, very good. Okay. So you are very good now here. Now, we have a question here, or some questions. I hope you observe this one also. The first one, teacher, when do we add S? How about ES? It's because in our examples, I gave you plural forms that adding S and ES. But when? When do we need to use those? When do we need to use, or when do we add S or ES? So this will be the answer. For almost all the nouns, we need to add S to make it plural. Just like cat, cats. That's only S. Dog, dogs. That's only S also. Right? And if a word ends, you need to take note of this. If a word ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, then you need to add ES. What are those words? Again, if a word ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, then you need to add ES. For example, what is this? This is bus, right? Bus ends in S. So, instead of adding only one S, we need to add ES. It's because we have here. Okay, so we will put ES. Right? Another one. For example, box. This word ends in X. It ends in X. So therefore, if we will make this or change this into plural form, we need to add ES. So it will become boxes. Alright? So, the main clue here is you need to see if the word ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, then you can add ES. If not, then almost all other nouns just add S. Alright? Now let's try. So, you need to remember this one. Alright? If a word ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, we will add ES. So these are the words. These are our singular form. Boy, bus, car, brush, scratch, box, orange. Again, boy, bus, car, brush, scratch, box, orange. Okay, I will give you time to write your answers in plural form. Okay, and after the time I will give you, then we will answer. Okay, I will give you 20 seconds to answer this. Ready? Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Your time's up. So let us try to change these singular words or singular nouns into plural. Okay? Boy. So, do we need to add S or ES? Remember, ES must meet this, right? So you need to see the end letter. Boy, the end letter is Y. It's not part of this one. So we will just add S. Okay? Boys. So only S. How about bus? Bus ends in S. And S we have here. Right? So we will add ES. So we have buses. How about car? Car ends in letter R. And it's not part of our remember part here. Right? So we will just add S. Cars. How about brush? Brush. Brush ends with SH. And SH is part of our ES. So therefore, we will add ES. Okay? Okay, next one. Scratch. Scratch. The last sound or two letters is CH. CH and CH is part here. So we will add ES also. So scratches. Scratches. Okay? Next, box, box. We have X as it letter at the end of the word. So, instead of only S, we will put ES. Boxes. Boxes. Okay? And for the last one, we have the orange. The last letter is E, and E is not part here. So, we will just add S. Oranges. Okay? So I hope you learned something. Very nice. Now, let us sum up our learnings for today. We learned about singular and plural. Singular, these are the nouns that only one. In plural, these are the nouns that two or more. And also, we learned how to make singular nouns to plural noun by adding S or ES. We will add S to the nouns or almost all the nouns that we know. And we will add ES if the end of our word is S, SH, CH, X, or Z. Today, see you again to next class and see you soon. Kap kun kap.
Preview.